Are you tired of constantly cleaning up after your pets and dealing with dust and dirt around your home? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing our revolutionary automatic cleaning system that does all the work for you. With its advanced technology, it effortlessly collects pet hair, dust, and debris from your floors, leaving them spotless and sparkling clean. No more bending over to sweep or mop, this system does it all with just the touch of a button. But that's not all. This system also features a self-refilling mechanism, ensuring that you never run out of cleaning solution. Say goodbye to constantly refilling your mop bucket, this system takes care of it for you. And when it's time to empty the dust collection bin, there's no need to get your hands dirty, this system self-empties, making cleanup a breeze. Experience the convenience and efficiency of our automatic cleaning system today and say hello to a cleaner, healthier home. Don't waste any more time on tedious cleaning tasks, let our system do the work for you. Order yours now and enjoy a cleaner home with minimal effort. Buy one https://amazon.to/3c6le